Hey guys, welcome back to Next Level Health. I'm Tim Giorso, and I'm here to push you to the next level. Are you ready to level up? Look, today I'm going to be revealing a key piece of information that will enable you to kiss overeating, kiss intense cravings for sugary foods goodbye. Not only that, but you will have increased energy levels because who doesn't want a little extra pep in their step? So I have a question for you. Are you hungry right now? Or are you thirsty? Turns out, you won't know the difference. See, the area of the brain called the hypothalamus, which is located on the top of your brainstem, is actually the area that both alerts you to when you're hungry and when you're thirsty. Do you see the problem here? You may actually be thirsty, but perceive it as hunger and proceed to eat past what you need to, which will then make you possibly even hungrier later. And eventually, yeah, your thirst mechanisms will kick in if you eat enough, but at that point, the damage has already been done. See, if you only drink water when you feel you're thirsty, you won't drink enough water. It won't happen, especially during the wintertime when a glass of water isn't quite so appealing as it would be on a hot summer day when you're sweating and you're more aware of your hydration. Look, I know anyone and everyone has probably told you to drink more water. That's obvious. I could do a whole video on all the benefits of staying hydrated and how important that is, but that's not the point of this video. The point is, you know you need to drink more water, so how do you do it? So based on this information, I have a practical step that you can take today that's incredibly simple, and it's what I like to call water accountability. All right, you have two options here to see this plan through. The first thing you can do is buy this water bottle or a similar one like it. I got this one on Amazon for about 20 bucks. It's 64 ounces of water, and if you look, it even actually tells you hour by hour when you should be sipping on your water, even if you don't feel particularly thirsty at that time. Or the other thing you could do if you don't want to get that water bottle and you have a smaller bottle, let's say a 32-ounce water bottle I have here, go ahead and put on 2 rubber bands. Look, I'm gonna refill that water bottle either the morning I wake up or even the night before in preparation. And as soon as I'm done with half that water bottle, I'm gonna take off one of those rubber bands, or I'm gonna color one side and flip it over so I know that one 32-ounce segment has been completed, and I'm gonna go ahead and refill. Now, obviously with the bigger one, you won't need to refill it. It's just one for the entire day. Now, personally, I drink more than 64 ounces of water a day. And that has a lot to do with my weight, which can change the amount of water that you actually need. But the important thing is I always have a consistent baseline of how much minimum amount of water I'm drinking per day that I won't go below. So even if I am not feeling particularly thirsty that day, I'm still at baseline, gonna drink about 64 ounces of water combined with anything that you can get from fruit, which has water content, maybe milk, maybe other items that have water in them. You know, every once in a while, I'll have a day where I'm starving all day long, or I end up just craving and eating a bunch of sweets. And look, we all have those days. There's no shame. Those days are correlated with my water intake. You know, maybe I left my water bottle at a friend's house and forgot about it. Maybe I just left it in my closet. Maybe I flat out just didn't give a crap that day about trying to drink a lot of water. And it almost always comes back to bite me because I end up doing the things I don't want to do that don't align with my goals. So look, on those days, I lack accountability and I pay the price for it. So look guys, it's time to stay accountable. It's time to drink your water, next level health style. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe, turn those notifications on so you never miss a video and get, hey.
Oh, hey Tim.
Hey, Dad, what's up?
Oh, is that your videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Filming for my YouTube channel.
What are you up to? Get it? Water up to?
Yeah. Kind of need to get back to it. Just,
Whatever then.